Would you like to remove or modify the background of your photo? I will show you how to do that in PhotoDirector. Click on the app, click on Edit, find your photo, and then you can click on Background, choose Background Art, and wait a few seconds. I will remove the background of your photo, and then you can choose some background. For example, let it be Mother's Day background, and choose some flowery background. You can modify how visible the original picture should be, and then click on the tick and download the file. Thank you for watching.